Welcome to our YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for investing, money management, crypto, saving money, index funds, stocks, and all things finance. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking to refine your strategies or a beginner eager to learn the ropes, you've come to the right place. At our channel, we're dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed financial decisions and achieve your financial goals. From exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrencies to demystifying the complexities of stock markets, we've got you covered. We are here to share valuable insights, practical tips, and advice that will equip you with the confidence to navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. Get ready to unlock the secrets of successful investing. Our mission is to guide you through the intricate pathways of financial markets, helping you understand different investment strategies, identify money-saving techniques, grasp the concept of index funds, and analyze the latest market trends. Join us every week as we dive deep into a wide range of topics. From discussing the principles of portfolio diversification to exploring the nuances of tax-efficient investing, we strive to provide you with comprehensive and actionable information that will elevate your financial acumen. But this channel isn't just about us. It's about building a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about personal finance and wealth creation. We value your participation and encourage you to share your thoughts, ask questions, and engage in meaningful conversations. Your input is what makes this community thrive. Together, we can learn from each other's experiences, exchange ideas, and support one another on this journey towards financial success. So, are you ready to embark on a transformative voyage that will shape your financial future? Hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to join our growing community. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge and stay updated on the latest videos, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to enhance your financial literacy. Thank you for watching.